This is a really big moment. After 10 years together, exclusively here on MTV this evening, we're going to see Kiss without their makeup for the very first time. Vinnie Vincent, lead guitarist and co-writer of many of the songs on the current Kiss album. Eric Carr, drummer, has been with the band since 1979, and Kiss is, by the way, the very first band that Eric has ever been with. Paul Stanley, rhythm guitarist and lead vocalist. Paul is a co-founder of the group. Gene Simmons, bass, also co-founder of Kiss. He is the fire-breathing, blood-spitting monster of Kiss.
Of course it's not me, but today I'm going to show you how to play like Kiss. Hey there, budding Campfire Guitar Heroes, and welcome to this week's song lesson where I'm teaching you the 1979 classic song from Kiss, I Was Made for Loving You. Now, what I love about this song, it's reasonably easy to play. It's a song people don't expect to be played on acoustic guitar, but it's a great sing-along song because everyone knows at least the chorus and they get stuck in and sing along with you. So let's get straight into it now. What I'm going to do is quickly do a quick song playthrough, partial, not the whole song, just partial, so you get a sense of the song. Then I'm going to break down the chords and give you the lead little intro riff. Bit of strumming, break down the strumming for you. And then if you stick around at the end, there's a bit of a freebie in it for you guys. But before we start, you know how it works, guys. Every YouTuber hits you up to say, oh, subscribe to my channel and all that sort of stuff. I'm not going to do that because I know if you like what you see today, then you will subscribe and you'll turn on the notifications because you want to stay in touch with my weekly tutorials. But what I do ask you to do is stick around to the end of the video where I'm going to show you how to download the free song sheet. Here's an example of one here from a previous tutorial. It's got all the chords, the lyrics, everything you need. Download them all. They're free for you, no email required. Then you can build up your own songbook, just like I'm doing with mine. But before we get into it, you'll notice that I'm a left-handed guitarist and I'm actually playing a right-handed strum guitar. So my finger patterns will all be upside down. But don't let that worry you because I'm going to put the correct chord patterns up on the screen and you just need to follow them. Make sure you get your fingers in the right place. And then follow along with my lesson. I'll teach you the chords and strumming. Okay, there's 5 chords to this song. I'll just take you through them now. Starts with an E minor, to a G, to a D, it has a C in it, and it has an A minor. Now they're all pretty easy open chords, and you'll see the chord patterns above, but they are played out in a different sequence. So I'll start with the intro verse, and that starts with the E minor. Tonight I want to give it all to G, to a D in the darkness, back to an E minor. So much I want to do. So that's the circle, that's the verse intro. So the first chord is an E minor, where you use these two fingers, your pointer finger and the bird finger, and they get placed on the second fret. You can see the string patterns there. Make sure your fingers are on the right strings, and you're just pressing down E minor. Easiest open chord in the guitar playing songbook. Right, E minor. Then we go to the G. Now I'm going to do an open G because that's an easy one to transition from E minor to an open G. You could do a bar chord G if you're a bit more advanced. So, or, and that's how I played it throughout the whole song, right? Tonight I want to give it all to you, G. And then to the D, up on the skinny strings here. Now when you play the D, just remember, focus on strumming only the strings that you're actually pressing, because they're the ones that you're actually changing the notes to. You don't have to play the bass strings. Remember, they're upside down here, so they're on the bottom of the guitar for me. You don't play a D like this. See? Hear that difference? When I play all 6 strings on a D, it sounds really dud. Instead, you play the D focusing on pretty much the 4 skinnier strings. That's all you need to focus on hitting, okay? Now the chorus to the song, the chorus is pretty easy. It's an E minor, A minor, E minor, A minor with a D thrown in there. So I'll just play it quickly for you, right? So, I was made for loving you, baby. You were made for loving me. E minor, E minor, E minor, E minor, A minor, A minor, E minor, D. That's it. Let's do that again. I was made for loving you, baby. You were made for loving me. And I can't get enough of you, baby. Can you get a E minor, D? And then we go into the bridge. Oh, to, which is a C. Oh, tonight, won't give it all to E minor. You. Oh, tonight, C, up to a D. Do, 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 do. Oh, what did I do there? That sounded pretty cool. I like that part of the song. So the bridge was, again, remember what I said, it's a C, E minor, C, D. So I'll just do that part. Oh, tonight. D, da, da, da. So all I'm doing from the D is I'm just going up to any string, somewhere around, say, the 9th fret on the fat E string, and then I'm just plucking it pretty quickly and then running my finger down to the 2nd fret and then quickly forming the E minor chord. That's what I'm doing. So I'll just slow it down really slow for you. So that's the transition to that instrumental part of the song. We're on, obviously on an electric guitar, it sounds really, really grungy, but on an acoustic guitar, it can sound pretty cool too, because I'm really emphasizing the bass strings, and that's what you need to do in the song, right? So you're going to go pick the string, pick the E, the bass E string down to the 2nd fret, quickly transition to the E minor, and then you're going to hit those 3 bottom or 3 fat strings on the E minor. A minor, E minor, D. Okay, Okay, so that's that instrumental part, the break between pretty much, that's the wrap up of the song. The song can finish on that. Right, the lead intro is really iconic. That really defines the song. Everyone recognises the song as soon as you play that, which is on an E minor to an A minor. So what am I doing there? I'll teach you. Normal E minor, 2 pointed fingers there, and then I'm basically pulling on and off with my third finger, so it gets a little bit cramped. It's all on the 2nd fret, gets a little bit cramped, all right? But it's the E minor, 2nd fret, and I'm basically pushing down on the G string, which is the 4th fat string or the 3rd skinny string. Okay, so you can hear this, E minor. That's all I'm doing. I'm on, off, on, off, on, off in time with the beat and the song and the strumming. Then I move to the A minor and do a similar thing. So the A minor, form the normal A minor chord, and then what you're doing on the 3rd fret, it's the B string. Now the B string is the 5th fat string or the 2nd skinny string, and then A minor is this. Again, in time with the beat, you've got to listen to the song in your head, but it's on and off on that 3rd fret B string. Let's do that one more time. So there's that iconic intro riff, and it's also played through the lead break about 3/4 of the way through the song too. Right, let's talk about strumming. The strumming of the song, it's fast, but it's all mostly down strums, just down, 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 down in time with the song. So let's say I'm playing an acoustic lounge room type version, nice and slow and mellow. I would start off by just down strumming on the E minor, because that's what the song starts with. And they're all down strums. You notice what I'm doing there? Down, down, down. Down strums with palm mutes. Now let's talk about a palm mute, all right? So what I'm doing is as I'm going down, I'm actually putting my hand over the strings, and I'm using this soft part of my hand here, but to emphasize it for the purpose of this video, I'm going to put my hand really flat out. So that's a palm mute. This is a normal down strum, and a palm mute is when you do that. So practice that. Just practice that. So here I am. Here's the strumming for the E minor. Into the verse. Tonight, wanna give it all to you. Down, 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 down. I wanna down, 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 down. So that's the strumming. It's down, 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 down. The strumming for the chorus goes like this. So this is where the song sort of picks up, and you've got to really emphasize, I reckon, the bass strings on this part, on the chorus, because that's where the song gets pretty grunty, and you want to belt it out, and that's the whole essence of the song. So let's do that now. So get the key. I was made for loving you, baby. You were made for loving me. So what am I doing there? Down, 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 down. Down, down, block, down, 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 block, down, 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 block, down, 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 block, down, down, block, down, 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 block, down, 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 block, down, 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 block, down, down, block, down, 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 block, down, 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 block, down, 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 block, down, down, block, down, 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 block. Pretty repetitive, but that's the strum, and it's all about tempo. You can go fast or you can go slow. I was made for loving you, baby. You were made for loving me. Or real slow. I was made for loving you, baby. You were made for loving me. And I can't. So there's the basics of the strum for you. Practice this one because it's a song worth learning. It's a song worth learning from start to finish. And if you can put that in your repertoire, people will really go, hey, this dude can play. They are a Campfire Guitar Hero. Hey folks, I really hoped you enjoyed that tutorial. I enjoyed bringing it you today. You can do it mellow and slow, or you can do it, fast, loud and proud as it was originally done. Either way, it's just a great song to learn how to play. Massive thanks. I do understand you've got a lot of choice on YouTube, but you chose to watch me today, so that means a heck of a lot to me. In return, what I encourage you to do is go and get the free song sheet. That's downloadable from my Patreon page. This is an example of one here. Got all the chord patterns, the full lyrics. You download them all, and then basically you're building up your own songbook just like I'm doing with mine. So that's my gift to you guys for taking the time to watch my channel. If you get a moment, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Turn on the bell notifications. That way you stay in touch with what I put out every week. And if you get a moment, give me a like and give me a comment or two in the description below. So until next time, don't forget Campfire Guitar Hero, where all you need is a few chords, a few friends, maybe a few drinks, and everyone's a rock star.